Okay, this is an update to the Arduino picture frame project with the OLED and TMP. I have now incorporated the RTC that has a built-in temperature sensor, and it's really pretty cool because you can unplug the Arduino, and of course, as you guys know, it keeps temperature or keeps the time, track of the time and date very well and accurately. I did some of the things I wanted to do that I talked about in the other video in terms of changing the buttons. I'll plug it in and show you guys what's going on. This is by no means a tutorial. It's just kind of an open discussion to see what we can get rummaging up. So, okay, here we are. We've got the code from Sir TR Tech in here. Thank you so much for that. It's really fun to have worked with you and gotten this thing straightened out. So what this button did is it toggled between the RTC temperature sensor and the TMP on the back, and I rounded the temperature for Fahrenheit to an integer. I guess I could change it to a double or just have one decimal, but it really seems unnecessary to go down to a decimal point on the temperature when you're talking Fahrenheit. But one thing I noticed was that there's quite a bit of a discrepancy, and I have one checking system in mind, and I'll show it to you, but it's 74 degrees Fahrenheit there, 64 degrees Fahrenheit here, and this is the only thing I have for reference, but 69.8 degrees Fahrenheit on my cooking thermometer. And so I don't know, should I calibrate the TMP using the offset? I mean, here the sensor changes 10 millivolts per degree. The data sheet says there's a 500 millivolt offset, so you would take the voltage, subtract 500 millivolts or 0.5 in the code, multiply it by 100, and you get your temperature in Celsius. Of course, we know the Fahrenheit conversion. Multiply that by 1.8 and add 32. Freaking leave a comment if you see something that's off there. But I did achieve the objective. I thought it would be fun to kind of see what the different temperature sensors say. I have a feeling there may be some lag with the TMP. It kind of feels 75. I would say this feels the most accurate. It's closer to 69. I don't think it's quite 64 degrees in here, or 63. But okay, so I've got this thing to where you can just forward indexes the photos from, as you saw from the 2.1 Arduino video. And then this would escape you and just get you right back to the time. So that's it. Real happy with my results there. I thought I would crowdsource and just ask a question. How long do you guys think this will run continuously, the Arduino display with the 9-volt battery on there? I have no idea. A month? A week? A year? What do you guys think? All right. Okay, one other quick question I had is, it's not doing it. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it kind of fluctuates back and forth between 63, 64, and sometimes has bigger fluctuations. Is there anything I can do to smooth that out? And then back to the other question was, what can I do to calibrate this within the formula? I'm thinking you just change the offset from 0.5 to something else that would get me there. Mathematics involved, of course. Or trial and error. You can work it that way too. Yeah. And would anyone be willing to review my code? I got 78% of program space used up. I think my code's, there's a much more elegant way to do this, what I have here, and I don't know. It'd be nice to hear that there isn't, and I did it kind of efficiently, but you guys let me know. Awesome. I mean, you guys. I got a few views per video, but if anybody's watching this and they think they know or they can help, let me know. All right. Cool.